the rectangular living and dining area. So this is your kitchen area with open kitchen concept. And now ये है आपका master bedroom का space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Swati Premier Project, a project by Swati Procon. And this project is located in Shela, Ahmedabad. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK sample house. But before that, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform जो आपको कनेक्ट करता है सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many calls. While we're in Housey, हम आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ, because यहाँ पे लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए. Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you. This is the sales office of this project. And now about the land parcel. So this is the land parcel, यानी कि exactly जहाँ पे sales office बना है and जहाँ पे ये construction work is going on. So this is the tower A, tower B and tower C अंदर में आपको मिल जाएगा, जिसके बारे में हम later on बात करेंगे. But before that मैं आपको ये project का surrounding दिखा देती हूँ. So हमने sales office तो देख लिया है and now this is the main road, the Sanand Circage Road. So over this side and मेरे right hand side में आपको Sanand की connectivity मिल जाती है. एडिशनली मैं आपको लोकेशन के बारे में बताऊं, सो यहाँ से आपको एसपी रिंग रोड जस्ट 100 मीटर्स में मिल जाएगा विद द जेनेवा लिबरल स्कूल इज 2 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट एंड एलजे यूनिवर्सिटी आपको जस्ट 2.7 किलोमीटर्स में मिल जाती है. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू. सो ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है आपको टोटल ये प्रोजेक्ट आपको 1.44 एकर्स में मिलेगा, जिसमें दे हैव केम अप विद 3 टावर्स एंड द टावर ए, टावर बी एंड टावर 3. सो ये जो तीनों टावर्स है उसमें आपको मिलेगा 2 बेसमेंट, ग्राउंड प्लस 20 फ्लोर्स हैविंग 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the amenities part, but before that let me show you the actual entrance lobby of the tower. So basically this is the C tower and आपको कुछ इस तरह से entrance lobby मिलेगी. This is the reception desk. And now you can check the lobby area over here. The sitting area. And now let me tell you what all amenities this project is coming up. So this project has 10 plus luxurious amenities like of gym area, library area, swimming pool, indoor game, yoga room and many more. And अब चलिए check करते हैं आपका sample house. Now let's check your 3 BHK sample house of 2335 square feet super built up area. So this is your lobby area where each floor will be having 4 flats with 4 lifts. And now this is your sample house. So here comes the main entrance. So once you enter, even they have provided a lobby space for your privacy. So this is your lobby space. And once you enter from your lobby space, here comes the rectangular living and dining area. So this is the living area. They have set a sofa set over here in front of your TV unit space. So you can check the space and the interior work that the builder has done for your reference. And now let me show you the window area. So here comes the window area. Here is the window and over here is the balcony area. Before that, this is the dining area, the spacious dining area. And exactly in front of your dining area, they have provided a beautiful big balcony. So this is a huge balcony, comes with 2 side open view with toughened glass railing and with skid tiles. Now exactly in front of your dining area comes your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area with open kitchen concept. They have made here a serving platform and here they have provided with straight fitted granite platform and a sink. This kitchen comes with a dry balcony and with storage area. So this side is the storage area. And now exactly in front of the storage area comes the dry balcony area. This dry balcony provides you with skid tiles. Now let's move towards your bedroom area. So this side is your 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 1. Let's check. This is the beautiful space. You can check the interior work again. How beautifully the interior work is done, right? So here comes the bed space, the wardrobe space, and here comes the window space. So this is the window. And now let me show you the attached washroom. So this is the attached washroom. Comes with indiscreet tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now let's move towards the bedroom number 2. But before that, let me show you the common washroom. So here is the common washroom. Comes with indiscreet tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And yes, this common washroom comes with 2 exits. One from the passage area and again with the other bedroom. The bedroom number 2. So this is the entrance of the bedroom number 2. And now this is the space of the bedroom. Comes with again a bed space, a wardrobe space, and here is the access of the attached washroom. And now this side comes the window space. The bedroom is beautiful, right? Now let's move towards the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you Housey आपको क्या-क्या features provide करता है. So Housey आपको provide करता है actual location tour with a sample house tour with pros and cons of the project. आपको payment scheme and EMI scheme भी घर बैठे-बैठे मिल जाता है and आपको मिलता है 360-degree location tour and all these features under one platform, that is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Just go and register yourself on housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now let's move towards your master bedroom. So exactly beside this bedroom आपको मिल जाएगा आपका master bedroom. And now ये है आपका master bedroom का space. है ना beautiful, right? Again with the wardrobe space, the bed space, and now let me show you the window space. So इन्होंने यहाँ पे window को इस तरह hidden कर दिया है. So ये है आपका window. And ये bedroom आपको मिलता है attached washroom के साथ. So ये है आपका attached washroom. Comes with indiscreet tiles and CP sanitary fitting. So this was your beautiful 3 BHK. So as you all know, हम आ चुके हैं शेला में. क्या आपने शेला लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट चेक किया है? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की डिटेल के लिए आई बटन पे जरूर क्लिक कीजिए. And for more such videos, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.